Another day, another package. Hello, and welcome back to my fabulous channel together with Tasso, and wow, we have a package from Elegance. Now they have changed. We're not doing like fall and winter collections. We're actually doing fall winter. Fall winter. All right, we got Moody, the highly emotional collection. Ooh, beautiful picture. We have everything in a buttercream, glitter gel, P+ glitter polish, and P+ gel polish. Oh, we got a little Moody ring here. Do you remember mood rings?
Yes.
I haven't had a mood ring in a very long time.
Oh, so cute.
So obviously, we're going to wear it.
On top of the glove.
Yes. I don't know if it's gonna detect my mood through the glove. So we have the buttercream and glitter collection with a little bow on it.
Cute.
Very cutesy. And then we have the P+ collection, and I just ruined everything, but yeah, the P+ collection glitter and polish color. Oh, we got some candy. Some American candy. Warheads. Extreme sour.
Ugh.
I don't know though. American extreme sour.
Is it?
Is it really sour? You come to Sweden and you tell us if that is truly sour. That is it. Oh no, we got more stuff. We also have a phone plug.
Pop socket.
Pop socket. Okay, so we got one of those. Super cute. And then we actually have like a little bag.
Love it.
Storage. Love storage.
Yes.
Always gonna love storage.
Yeah. So cute.
I am totally gonna use this. This was really, really cute. I'm gonna put all my little Elegance stuff in here. This packaging is really nice because I love fall collections. So this is gonna be exciting to see like a fall winter collection.
Is it even darker?
Is it darker? This looks nice. Let's start with Moody Blues.
Moody blues.
Yeah.
I'm sensing a blue.
It's probably a pink though. It is a cream. Ooh, this is some dark shit. This is like a borderline black.
Ooh.
So deep. Like the blue is almost black. This is like a midnight, like fall, winter, midnight sky.
Ooh.
Really, really. That is really cool. I love this blue. This is really, really nice. And it's very moody. Very moody. And I am turning green.
Ooh.
Then we got I'm Sensitive.
Oh, you're so sensitive.
Yeah, it's probably a good color for me. Everyone keeps saying that I'm so sensitive. I'm Sensitive, and it's pearl.
Ooh.
It's a pearl.
I'm sensitive.
Ooh. It's like a mauvey nude neutral with a purple undertone.
Very nice.
I love this, and it has a pearl finish to it.
It's very you.
It's very me. I love this one. This is definitely a favorite out of the bunch so far. We're gonna jump to Emotionally Drained.
Oh.
And what am I now? I'm like a greenish blue. Okay.
Is it a hint to the color?
Oof, look at that.
Oh.
I'm matching the color with my ring. I love these type of colors. This is like, oh, what do you say? This is like an
ashy
turquoise? Well, it's a muddy color.
Yeah.
Every time it's muddy, I love it. But it's a muddy green turquoise.
A
Yeah.
little bit of blue, a little bit of green.
Yeah, a little bit of everything.
Yeah.
We love it.
Yes.
Okay, I love all three so far. And now I want to jump to another dark. Green with Envy, so it's probably gonna be a yellow. Never gets old. And it's a cream. I'm guessing like a really, 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 really dark green.
Yes.
Yeah, I was right. This is borderline black, but it's green. It is so dark. I actually have to
green.
I have to smear it out a little bit here. Ooh! Look at that! Titta! Both of these, I have like the blue here and the green.
Yeah.
When you look at them like just like that, it looks like it could be a black, but then when you put them next to each other, it's like this is so blue and this is so green.
Clearly green and blue.
Yeah, but they could also be black. Kiss My Sass.
Ooh.
So you went to very emotionally drained and all that to Kiss My Sass. We're jumping in between
Emotions.
Shimmer gel.
It's a shimmer gel.
It's a shimmer gel.
I get so emotional, baby.
Ooh, look at that.
Ooh.
This
Love the shimmer.
Oh, this shimmer is
shimmery blood.
Yeah, this is like a vampire color. It is so fall. It is also so winter because this is like the perfect fall red, but it has the shimmer that makes it very festive as well. But like depending on the mood and the season, it fits with everything. That is gorgeous. I actually love every single one of these so far. And now I am blue again.
Ooh.
Okay. We have the last one, Attitude Adjustment. And this is a cream. Obviously some kind of neutral slash nude. The other one was more purple. This one is like, yeah, this is like a true nude color.
Ooh.
Goes with everything. This is so nice to have in a collection because all these work together. But if you have something like this that ties everything together, you don't have to be worried that it won't work because everything will work if you have this as like a base. Every single time I have a fall collection in my hand, well, this is winter now as well, I love it. Every single time.
It's always your favorite of the year.
Always my favorite. Glitters.
Glitter time.
Glitter time. So let's open it up. We're starting out with Midnight Melancholy. Melancholy? Melancholy.
Midnight Melancholy.
Obviously, it's gonna be some kind of dark black something. Oh, it is. Ooh, it has. Ooh, that was unexpected because it has blue specks in it as well.
Ooh.
So it's like black and silver and dark blue, and it has a tiny little bit of multi-colored specks, but not too much. It's leaning more towards blue than anything, like black, silver, and blue. Very cool. We love that. Next up, we have Cry Baby.
Cry Baby.
And it is a white-ish something. It is an iridescent, depending on what light you're looking from and depending on what color you put underneath.
Ooh.
So it's one of those like mermaid effects. I would say the main colors are like the greenish yellow that you have from mermaid glitters. But then you have that very like dusty light pink in it.
Very cool.
And it depends, like the color really depends on where you're looking at it. So this is super pretty.
It's gonna be pretty over anything.
Yeah. Hot and cold.
You're hot and you're cold.
You know, in your copyright. We have something like neutral, maybe like a nudish glitter, I would say. Wow, this is gonna be a super hit. It is a rose gold with mixed sizes. Oh. So you have medium and you have bigger chunks. Or like not chunks, but bigger specks. This one is really pretty. And it's actually, the bigger specks are rose gold. The base is more of, not goldish gold, but like white gold.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So it's a white gold base with rose gold bigger specks.
Ooh.
Really pretty.
Rich.
Bratty blue.
Bratty
blue. I'm guessing something blue.
Or?
Yes, but oh wow. Wow! I could not have guessed this in 100 years. Like,
wow.
I know. She even grabs it.
Wow.
You have turquoise blue, you have some like silver blue, and you have lavender. And it's a medium size, and you have small sizes as well, but it's more on the chunkier side, or like medium chunky. This is so cool. I love this mix of color. This is so much fun. I love that they made something that really sticks out from the bunch.
It pops.
And what am I now? I am a blue-green. Blue-green. That one was really cool. We have Sourpuss. They had fun when they came up with these names. Ooh, ooh, it's like a multicolored white silver.
Not too sour at all.
No. So yeah, multicolored. You have the rainbow or like holographic specs in here. It's also like on the lighter side with like white silver maybe. That one is also really nice. This is very winter, I would say. Last one. Part-time pessimist. I know I'm gonna love this. I can see that it's like a, okay, if I guess, it's like a dark base, like almost steel gray with like a crimson like chunks in it. So I think I'm gonna love this.
Exciting.
I'm thinking vampire. It is exactly what I said. Look at that.
Ooh.
That is amazing. Wow. I love this. It is exactly what I said. And the cool thing is that the black it has a tone of like emerald green. And the crimson color those are really chunky. This is so cool. This is the vampire color of the glitter collection. Well, there you have it.
Ooh.
So we're gonna pick out our favorites.
Yes.
Okay, so we're gonna start with the colors.
Colors.
So Tesso's gonna go first.
Okay. I need to pick Kiss My Sass, Green with Envy, and Moody Blues.
Moody Blues.
I want the strong, dark colors.
Yes. So yeah, there you have it. Glitters to go with that.
I love the Bratty Blue.
Bratty Blue.
Part-time Pessimist. And I think Midnight Melancholy as well. I'm gonna take the darker ones here as well.
You are super dark.
Yes.
This is a...
Ooh, I'm so moody and dark.
Really dark. Okay, for me, I'm going kind of in the same direction, but not really. I want Kiss My Sass. That red is really amazing.
That red.
And the problem is here that I love the super dark green and the super dark blue, but I am going to pick Emotionally Drained. And obviously I want to do I'm sensitive. So, but I want to pick everything here, but if I have to,
you have to.
I want Bratty Blue as well. And I want Part-Time Pessimist, obviously. But I am going to choose Hot and Cold.
Ooh.
There's my little collection. A little bit lighter than yours.
Yes. Yep.
Yeah. There you have it. Beautiful collection. They did it again. Obviously. They always do. So now you have these for fall and winter. So if you feel like it's like too much when they have fall and winter collections, now this is a must because it's gonna last you for fall and winter.
Yep.
It's a no-brainer. You need it. And take it from me and Tesso. It is really, really, really nice.
It's beautiful.
It is beautiful. Perfect winter and fall tones. You're gonna have so much fun and so much use out of this. So highly, 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 highly recommend. And obviously you have these in P+ as well, if you prefer working with gel polish. So you have both the colors and the glitters. And the other ones here, they are hard gel, so they have to be filed off. This amazing collection is available now at lightelegance.com or with your closest distributor. And remember that Light Elegance products are manufactured in Redmond, Oregon, in the USA. And they are HEMA-free, nine-free, cruelty-free, gluten-free, and vegan! And the next time you come here on my channel, we're gonna do some art. So we'll see what we come up with. Something fallish, winterish.
Moody nail art.
I'm like leaning towards maybe like something vampire.
Ooh.
Like Twilight. Should we do something like, ooh, yeah. I'm feeling it. Something hoa hoa. Don't forget to follow Light Elegance YouTube channel for more product presentations, collections, and all that fun jazz. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you want more content like this. Subscribe, 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 and I'll see you in the next video.